cannot take your culture from your country and come and explore your culture in another man's land. Okay? What is acceptable in Africa is not acceptable all over the world, or better yet, even in America. It's not accepted. If you live in America, you're going to have to live by the law. So my African people, I'm back today, especially for my Liberian people, but also for all my African peoples. I'm back. Did you guys hear about what happened to the Liberian girl? What happened to Anego Mosi? Did you guys hear what happened? Some of us come on social media not to argue with people or go back and forth with people. Some of us upload these videos as a learning tool, that you can learn from it so you cannot make these mistakes that other people are making. Now, here is this Liberian girl that used to buy the animals their own life, actually go to the livestock store, buy live rabbit, rabbits that's alive, frogs that's alive, chicken that's alive. All these animals will be alive. She will bring them on camera, play with them, and then kill them, buy them, and eat them for her audience to watch, for her viewers then to watch on TikTok. Millions of followers, millions of views, millions of likes. Okay? That's what she was doing on social media until it got caught up with her. Apparently, she started dating this, and then it blew out. Some animal activists watched the video, and that's how they were able to report her to the law. Me, I've been living in America for some while now, and I can tell you, it's a lot that Africans need to learn. You can't do a lot of things there in this country, but people will not learn from other people's mistakes. Me, I brought this story so you guys can learn from this girl mistake she made. I see one Nigerian girl doing the same thing. I will put her video or picture right here so you guys can see her. I went and commented on her video. Oh, people have a whole bunch of things to say. Now you reach to the embassy to get visa, and they cannot give you visa. And you're wondering why they cannot give you visa? They've been watching your social media. Everything you post on social media, these people are watching. Everything you post on social media, these people are watching. I'm telling you guys. The people don't know you. The people don't know you, so they will know you through your social media. That's when you go for visa and things, the people can ask you, what is your social media? They want to watch you. America will watch you 24/7. You have no idea. That's why you got to be very, very careful what you say and what you post here. My videos then that I put up, it's just to advise people. It's just to alert people. But people take it and push it in a whole nother light. You need to learn from other people's mistakes. God do not bring other people's mistakes in the open just for nothing. God bring other people's mistakes to show you what you should not be doing. Yes, we love our culture. We can kill animals, we can eat animals all the time. But do we go kill animals on camera for the world to watch and see us torture these animals? No. It's against the law here. She shouldn't have been doing that. I feel bad for her. 7 years away from her daughter. She was a single mother. And I feel bad for her. I've met this girl before. I briefly met her in the store on the East Coast. And I said, oh, hi. You don't want to be on social media because I used to watch her before. And I'm like, wow. Because I really like her hair and stuff she be doing. Her little outfit she used to be putting together and stuff. So guys, learn from other people's mistakes. Not everybody come on social media to bash somebody. Some of us come here to share a light so you can learn from it, to share a simple advice. But African people, the way our brain can work. I didn't want to bring this story unless I'm like 100% sure. She just got sentenced on the 7th. So I said, let me bring this story to you guys. You all stop acting like your culture, they're running away. You cannot take your culture and do it in everybody in the country. I just bring whatever that's on my mind that I feel that would benefit somebody. Thank you guys so much. We are praying for Muncie.